Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to activate the clipboard history so that you can switch back and forth between different data. It also allows you to use this clipboard on other devices. The easiest way to do this is to press the Windows key and V. Here I could activate the history. But I will go the longer way because I can show you more functions that way. I click on the Windows button and go to Settings. Here I click on System and go to Clipboard. At the top I activate the clipboard history. But below that I can also turn on sync between different devices. That means when I copy something to the clipboard on this device, I can also use it on another device. The important thing is that both devices have been registered with the same Microsoft account. And at the very bottom I can also clear the clipboard data. Now I want to show you how to use this practically. So I close this window and I open a Word file in which I have prepared some data here. Now I copy them one after the other. And normally the clipboard saves data only once and deletes the previous ones. But with the history I can use all of them. When I have saved all data, I press Windows key and V again, and now I see my history. If I click on this data, it is automatically inserted here in Word. So I can work with data very fast. And that's how to activate the clipboard history and use it efficiently. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.